Hello from Hoi An. Hello, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Rachel. I make videos on travel, fashion. Oh, that's what I get for trying to do an intro while I'm walking. Let's try that again. Hello, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Rachel. I make videos on fashion, travel, and environmentalism. If you like any of those things, you should consider subscribing to me. Right now, I am in Hoi An, Vietnam. I'm very excited to be here because there's lots of things that I want to do in Hoi An, one of which I am doing right now. I'm on my way to. I got to Hoi An yesterday. Before Hoi An, I was in Hanoi. I am vlogging my whole Southeast Asia trip, so if you like travel videos, you can click the playlist. I'll leave a link to the playlist in my description. I have a cough, and I've had a cough for quite some time now, and when I was in Hanoi, my last day in Hanoi, I was finally like, I need to figure out this cough and get it looked at. I actually ended up going to a hospital in Hanoi, and at first I was a little ambivalent towards the whole process of going to a hospital in another country. I have traveler's insurance. Definitely get travels. I'm a walking ad for traveler's insurance right now, guys. I went to the most fancy hospital ever in Hanoi. Like, there was no wait time. I was seen immediately. I got an x-ray, I got an endoscopy, and I had a translator following me around the whole time, which was so helpful. The longest I had to wait was like 30 minutes for my x-ray, but don't worry, you know why? Oh god. Because while I was waiting those 30 minutes, I literally got a free meal in the hospital. Like, what? It was a very fancy experience. Now I have medication. Hopefully my cough will be going away soon. I feel like I'm going to be editing out a lot of my coughing breaks in these vlogs. Yesterday when I got here after the sleeper bus, I was very tired, but I'm staying at this wonderful hostel. I'm staying at Cheerful Hoi An Hostel, and it's run by this lovely Vietnamese woman. Got there yesterday, met her, love of my life, and she was like, Rachel, do you want to go on a food tour with everyone? And everyone was going on this food tour, so I thought, why not? I got ready in like half an hour, had barely any sleep. I went out on this food tour. That was a good time. Always love doing a cooking class anywhere I go because it helps you learn about the food and you get to do like a cultural experience, and they always give you a cookbook, so it's always a good time. It's like something you can bring home as well. Now today, okay, so today I'm currently walking to go get a custom tailor-made dress. I'm very excited. This is something that is like one of the main things to do in Hoi An, and you can get it for very cheap. My hostel woman, love of my life, recommended this tailor for me, so I'm just walking there right now. Alright, so just got back to my hostel. Literally, I think I'm falling apart right now because I slept so weird on my neck last night, and now, oh, I can like barely look up or like put my hands up to my head hurts. We're going on a food tour. I'm gonna get myself together and then, sorry, don't mind me, I'm just filming. We're going on a food tour with the lady who runs our hostel, so I'm excited. I think it's gonna be fun. She is an absolute riot. I feel like everyone who meets her loves her, so I'm excited to go on this food tour. It is my last day in Hoi An. I have to go to the tailor later today. I was supposed to go at 2, but then I just went there and their power was out or something, so they asked me to come back at 6 p.m. to do like a fitting, and then I'll pick it up tomorrow before I leave, I'm guessing. Really quick turnaround here. I also haven't talked about where I'm staying yet. I'm staying at the cheerful Hoi An hostel, and actually, okay, if you go on Hostel World for this hostel, it has like the best reviews, like the best reviews. Everyone gives this place like a 10 out of 10, like it's insane. And I was like, how can that be? And I was reading it and they were all saying how the woman who runs the hostel is like the nicest woman in the whole entire world, and how she's gonna be like your Vietnamese mother, and she's just so kind and everything, and that is 100% true. I love this woman. I would highly recommend staying at her hostel if you come to Hoi An. She will like completely hook you up and make sure that you know all the best places to go, all the best things to do. She even was the one who ran the food tour the other day, so I don't know if I mentioned that. Just a great hostel. Like, she literally looks after you like you're her own. I'm still kind of like going through the stages of dealing with my bronchitis, and she literally, I was on a video chat with my boyfriend the other day and she came over and started rubbing my chest with like peppermint oil. So yeah, she will literally just take care of you. She's given me cough drops, she's given me hot water with lemon. Like, she really looks out for her guests. The plan today is just to relax a little bit, give my lungs a bit of a break. I'm just walking around, but yes, stay tuned for when I go to the tailor later. I'm going to the tailor now. Day now. So today I'm going to Da Nang. It's about like a 1-hour bus ride away from Hoi An. There's definitely an option that you could have taken a motorcycle and driven to Da Nang. I think it's Da Nang. I think I'm pronouncing it wrong. But you could have taken a motorcycle there, and you can kind of work out with your hostel and then get your bags sent separately, all that jazz. However, it's been raining the last couple of days, so I decided to just take the bus. If you are coming here, that's definitely something I would look into doing. It would be a good time to like just try out driving a motorcycle, or if you already know how to ride, I think a lot of people said it was a really easy ride and you can kind of take it at your own pace. So that is definitely an option. I am taking the bus, and then yeah, I will update the vlog when I get there. I'm about to leave to go take the bus. I am kind of sad to be leaving this hostel because, like I've mentioned countless times, I was well taken care of here, but looking forward to seeing a bit of Da Nang and moving on with my Vietnam journey.